Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube lagging in Opera GX. Follow these steps one by one, and your videos should run smoothly again. Let's get started. Step 1. Toggle hardware acceleration. First, open Opera GX. Go to Settings. In the search bar, type Acceleration. Find Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If it's ON, turn it off. If it's OFF, turn it on. Restart Opera GX and check if YouTube is still lagging. Step 2. Disable Ad Blocker and Tracker Blocker. In Settings, look for Block Ads, Block Trackers. Turn both of these off. Opera GX's built-in ad blocker can sometimes cause lag on YouTube. Step 3. Disable RGX in Settings. Search for RGX. Make sure RGX video enhancement is turned off. This feature can sometimes interfere with YouTube playback. Step 4. Change Angle Graphics Backend. Open a new tab in Opera GX. In the address bar, type Flags. Press Enter. In the search bar, type Angle. Choose Angle Graphics Backend. Now try different options from the drop-down one by one. After each change, relaunch Opera GX and test YouTube again. After trying these settings, YouTube should run without lag. That's it. Your YouTube lag issue in Opera GX should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.